What is up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is Thursday. I forgot what day it is, the 5th. And as you can see, I'm on an Elite Trader funded account. It's not actually funded, it's an evaluation account. It's been up and down all day. The market has been so wild today and just not very, the trading has not been very clear. So it's been a very sketchy day in my opinion. So I did go long, risky long, 10 contracts. I went long at 38.41. I don't ever recommend doing 10 contracts unless you're looking to unless you are looking to pay for a lot of resets or new accounts. So do not try this at home on your own personal accounts. But as you can see, the market looking all day has been just very strange. Like the sell-off this morning was fine. Like that was okay. But since then, it's just been a zigzaggy chop fest. A lot of weird issues. We did have this nice little run up. I missed this run up. And then you can see this 1 minute fair value gap as we basically sold off. We've reversed here 1, 2, 3, 4 times, which is wild. And then we finally go up above this 1 minute fair value gap. And we have kind of formed some new fair value gaps in the process. So it's a little risky that I'm still holding this because of the drawdown. But I was pretty close to getting failing it anyway. That's why I took the risk. This is Elite Trader Funding's. It was $75. It's a 100K fast track account. So that is why. I mean, I should care about it technically because it's $75 can go a long way. So you don't really want to jack that up. But I kind of want to see if we could run all the way up into 38.60. It's basically, I wanted to see if we can do it pretty swiftly. I was expecting it to do it earlier, and it never came into fruition. So let's see. There is another fair value gap here that has formed. So let's see if it holds from there to there. So far, it has held. So I should put my stop right below 38.43.75, which technically my stop is there. This is too large of a stop. Like, no thanks. But we will see. I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that we can keep heading up. Wouldn't that be a little blessing? As price goes up, I'm gonna move my stop up. So I know there's going to be a lot of back and forth, and this could be it. It may not even work out. It could go right back down. Like literally, who knows? My trades today on my funded account were pretty decent. I do get my Apex Trader funded account. You can't see this price now. Let me move this over. I do get my Apex Trader funded account. I think next Wednesday is when I will get it, or Thursday. I can't remember now. So I am a little excited about that. It is a $150,000 account. It's pretty nice. It's gonna have $5,000 of drawdown. So that is good. Once I get that account above that $5,000 drawdown, so once I get it to 155,100, it's not going to trail anymore. So what that means is that if I get that account up to $200,000, I have a lot of wiggle room, massive amounts of wiggle room before I will fail that account. So I'm going to take that baby steps with that one, just slow and steady, not try and do what I'm doing right here. 5-10 contracts, that's risky. Like, we don't do that on funded accounts, not until you have a lot of wiggle room. So far this is like I had thought. It's going to be some back and forth. Now it needs to get above this that high of 38.49. Let's see if there's anything. So we struggled there earlier. We need to really break above 38.50. We really technically need to get above 38.54, which is right here. Like we need to, market needs to push. And then there will be a lot of more buying pressure, I think, once we do that. But so far, looking like I might get stopped out. I don't have a lot of drawdown, so that'll be kind of rough. Let's see if it works out. Because it went up so high up here and I did not take profit. This happened to me yesterday too. I took a play. I had a $250,000 Elite Trader Funding fast track account, and I was up $8,000, and I did not take profit, and I regretted it because my drawdown was only $6,500. So what that means is that I was up 8,000, but because I did not take profit, it went down. Then I was only at 4,000. I only had $2,500 of drawdown, and that kind of threw me. Like that was basically it for me. Yes, that is still a decent amount of drawdown, but mentally it kind of screwed me over, right? So I kept trading, and then eventually just failed it, right? So again, that one was 150, so that was oof. That for that to not work out was kind of oof, right? Especially when I was 8,000, I only had to get to $15,000 total profit. So I don't think I've never done a big account. Like I've made $9,000 on accounts and passed them a couple times, but not. I mean, 6,000 obviously, but $15,000. Oof, that's a big one. But maybe one day I'll have a big boy account like that. We will see. But I am going to leave my stop here. We're going to watch and see if this pans out. It may not pan out. I could get stopped out. I'm thinking about moving my stop up once price moves up, just so that I can have some kind of cushion, some kind of drawdown cushion. But I need the trade to work out first. I want it to squeeze up there, go up all the way to 38.54. That would be nice. I want you all to see it. So let's pray it happens. I'm going to move it just a little bit. What's this? 38.44.50. There it goes. A little bit more. Keep going. Go all the way to 38.54. Go up there to that little red that line there. Go get it. Squeeze up there. If it does that, I would be up pretty nicely. Look, I have $2,000 of drawdown again. So that is good. I really want it. It needs to squeeze. It's looking like it might do it. So let's wait. I have $2,500 drawdown again. I'm almost saved the day on this account. Almost. But if it keeps going up, we'll be groovy. On this play, I'm up 34 hundo. So now we wait. I am going to move this up a little bit more. I want to try and see if I can at least have over $1,500 drawdown, just in case it comes down, because I can always get back in, right? Let's see. Now we wait, and we wait, and we wait. We're going to wait forever. Forever. That's what they say. Boom, ba-doom, ba-doom. It takes time. Trading, you got to be patient, they say. And dang, are they right. I could not find a play like this all day, streaming on Discord. Just couldn't find them. Couldn't do it. Couldn't find them. Bad, rough day. And then when I walked away to go eat lunch, a good play comes. This one right here. I missed it. So I missed it. We will see. I'm still hoping for above 38.50. That's what I'm hoping. If that may or may not happen though. But it's looking like it might potentially happen. But then that would be kind of rough. I don't know if I want to pass this account in one day. I did just get it today. I had screwed up yesterday. I had screwed up because I'm not perfect. None of us are perfect. Nobody's perfect. But it's how you manage your risk, really. $2,600 a drawdown if I were to sell. But I'm waiting. I'm at 102, a little over 102,000 on this account. I was down initially like 1,500 until this trade. It was frustrating. I was frustrated, and I did revenge trade. I told the people in Discord that I was going to be done, but then I was looking at the market and I was like, let's see what we can find. Let's see what we can find. See if I can get some revenge back successfully. So there you go. I'm still waiting for it to go a little bit. I really want that 38.50. I think it's coming soon. There, it's getting close. There we go. Now we're moving. Now I'm at 5,000 on this play. I'm gonna have to bring my stop up higher though, unfortunately, because it's gonna come down. It can come down fast. I'm gonna move it there. Win, lose, or draw. Now I want it to go up a little bit higher, so I can get back some of my drawdown. Go up there. See how fast your drawdown moves? Don't stop me out.
Stop filled.
Okay, but that's fine. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. I don't have the biggest wiggle room right now. It's only 1800, so that's a little oof. We do have another fair value gap right here. Let's see if price can come back into here. It's not very big. Well, let's see. I will take that trade if it does for another push, because we do have a shift here. We're above this high. Now we need to get above this high. Like, this is where we failed multiple times earlier. Failed. Maybe that was actually it. Maybe I've exhausted my trades. Definitely now I've exhausted my good trades for the day, but I did want you all to see that play. So there you go. Enjoy. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Unfortunately, Apex Trader Funding is only 50% off now, but that link is down below. And TickTick Trader, I think, is 40% off right now. And that link is down below as well. You're going to select that more button and you'll see it. I hope you all enjoyed. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.